How to turn on and off notifications in XM application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you want to control notifications on XM application, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open the XM app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're inside the home page or the markets tab, go to the top right corner and tap on the notification bell icon. You'll be able to see all notifications tab. From here, go to the upper right and tap on the gear button. Now, you are under notification settings. To turn on a notification, toggle the switch right next to push notifications or enable push notifications. Now in the pop-up, click on allow to allow notification on your device for XM. If you ever want to turn off notifications, then come to the same page where it says notification setting and toggle off the button right next to enable push notifications. Soon after you do that, make sure that it is gray in order to turn off the notification. Now your phone only pings you when you really want it to. Now you can trade, watch the markets, or enjoy a peaceful moment. XM won't bother you unnecessarily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.